So I'm gonna pretend this is the start of the video. I've actually already made 2 passes, but this is where I'm gonna start. I know I haven't showed you all the new drag setup all the way around, unless you follow me on any of my social media. Anyway, so this is the car as it sits right now. Really just a VMS drag pack, Hoosier 28x10 slick on the rear, and the Hoosier bias ply front runners. But this is the car. So as you can see, same setup. Stock intake, Hoosiers on the front, VMS wheels, Hoosiers on the back, VMS wheels, but otherwise it's pretty much the same. Sorry for this one, I'm recording off my phone, but I'm gonna just go ahead and insert some of the clips of running right now. I actually got a new GoPro, and that's what I've been filming from inside the car, and I have some videos from the outside of the car where it's launching and going down the track that I got recorded. So yeah, I guess we'll start with the racing now. All right guys, first time ever on a drag pack, first time ever at this track in this car, or actually this track ever. But this is really just some shakedown passage. I just want to see what I can run. Don't know how this is going to go. I'm a high 7, low 8 on the street. I've ran a lot of 8.0s and a lot of 7.9s on the street. But this is a new drag pack. I've never ran a slick before. So we're gonna, I guess, after this Fox body right here runs, I guess we're gonna roll up and see what this car can do. This is an 1/8 mile, not a quarter, by the way. So these are gonna be 1/8 mile times. I'm definitely not. I've actually never ran a full quarter in this car because the closest quarter mile track's 3 hours away, and I just hadn't wanted to venture that far. So.
All right, that's good.
Guys, well, as y'all can see, the launch wasn't great. I ran a 2.2 60 foot. I started spinning, let out too much, and it bogged a little, so that's not good. But 8.255 is the first official pass on this setup. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up very well or not, but we're gonna let it cool off and we're gonna go try it again. All right guys, well now somehow I ended up with a race with this 5th gen in front of me. Don't know what's done to it, just know it's a automatic 5th gen SS. We're gonna try it again. This is the 2nd run now. Last time, as you saw, I spun, bogged, and then ran a slow time. But we're gonna hope we can make it a little better this time. I dropped the tire PSI from 20 to 18, and we're gonna see if that makes a difference. So let's see what happens. Appreciate it. All right guys, 2.060, so that was better than last time, and an 8.053 at 90.79. So all around a better run. That's about what I run on the street. That time I just hooked and bogged. I guess I'm gonna have to maybe not get the tires quite as warm. That's the only thing I really know to do. I did a little bit shorter burnout than last time, but I think that drop in PSI helped. So we're gonna I guess we'll ride back up here, let it cool off, and I'm gonna see if he wants to try it again in a little bit. I was kind of catching him on the top end, but that's not where it counts. All right guys, 3rd run. This is gonna be the last run of the day. Getting a little late, and we got about an 1.5 hour drive ahead of us, so I'm gonna hit this and we're gonna go home after that. So let's see if we can finally get this launch down. Thank you, sir. Oh man, that is so much better than I thought it was gonna be. 1.936 60 foot, 7.79. That is exactly what we wanted. That's a perfect way to end the day. All right, guys, flash forward about 2.5 hours. We made it back home. I didn't really film anymore after we got done running. We just celebrated, loaded up, and left. That's how the car is going to sit for now. We put the street tires back on, and we're gonna, I guess next time in 2 weeks, our local track opens, so we're gonna go out there, and I'm gonna try to have it on E for that. So 779 is the best I got on 93 so far. I think it has a little more if I can not spend so much on the launch, but we'll get that dialed in. But we're gonna try E85 next time, see what we can do on it, see if we can't maybe break 7.5 or maybe even to the 7.4s. But that's where I'm gonna end it. Like, share, and subscribe.